Today, we are taking a look at the Toyota Sprinter AE86 Trueno GT Apex for the 1985 model year kit from Aoshima. This is going to be a 124 scale with engine detail kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. So this version of this kit was reissued in 2016, but the tooling goes back to 2006 when it was initially released as the Sprinter Trueno AE86 for the 1983 model year. And then following that was the with engine kit. And then following that was a whole bunch of different variations of this kit. All right, let's check it out. And getting started with the body. As you see, it is a multi-piece body. And now we're going to take a look at some of the body parts trees up first. The hood with the pop-up headlight covers, and whatever those pieces are there. Don't remember what those are for. And the next body parts tree, which has mud flaps, the rocker panel pieces, and a rear spoiler piece. Now we're going to take a look at the front and rear bumpers. And getting started with the chassis piece. You can see there is detail molded on the underside. Bottom half of the engine, the oil pan, transmission, half of the drive shaft, majority of the exhaust, all molded underneath. Engine compartment. And now take a look at the what we'll call the chassis suspension parts tree. So up here in this corner you have, looks like, some shocks, sway bar, front suspension piece. Here you have more suspension pieces, tie rod, links, and here you have the rear axle, some wipers. Here you have some more wipers, front spindles, strut pieces. You have a couple of choices of rear view mirrors, or side view mirrors, along with a radiator grill. A radiator. And here you have the headlight pieces for the pop-up headlights that do function. Now we're going to take a look at the 4AG engine parts tree. Taking a look now at one of the interior parts tree. We'll call this the main interior parts tree. And the interior door panels, decent detail. And the front seats, which are multi-piece. And now the second of the interior parts trees. So you have the dash, steering wheel, a couple different headrest choices. Over there, there are your headrest choices. Shifter, rearview mirror. Here you have dash, steering wheel pedals, steering column. Taking a look now at the chrome parts tree, which has brakes, mirror faces, muffler, and an exhaust tip. And now taking a look at the wheels. And now we're going to take a look at the blank sidewall roundy rounds. And you get 4 springs for the working movable suspension as well. And of course, polycaps. And out of that same parts tree bag is this a set of seats, a set of race bucket seats. And now taking a look at the clear parts tree. There's the main window piece there. And then it's like corner lenses and then rear taillight pieces here. And then to go with the clear parts treat, you have transparent, molded in red, transparent for the taillight, and then molded in amber orange for all the turn indicators and parking lights. And now finally take a look at the window masking sticker sheet for, I believe, the side windows, the rear side windows, BC pillar windows, whatever you want to call them. And now finally we'll take a look at the decal sheet. We have a couple of choices of a couple of different gauge options. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1985 Toyota Sprinter AE86 Trueno GT Apex kit from Aoshima. And yes, if you want to get yourself some Toyota color matched paint, I think Jason and Scalefinishes can get that mixed up for you. I have no idea what this is about. On that note, thanks for watching.